Hi. Hello. Today I'm doing a super easy project. Basically, we're taking an old, well, actually it's kind of new, but we're taking a boring case like this for a phone and we're gonna spice it up a little bit. And the best thing about this is that it's removable and interchangeable so that if you mess it up, you can just throw it away and you can just make a different one. It's super easy. You've already got this stuff, I guarantee it. Well, you might not have this. It's just a phone case that is clear. That is very important. Otherwise, it's not interchangeable or removable. And it also probably won't work at all. The next thing you're gonna need is paper. Now, you can do this one of two ways. You can use like just plain paper and then just put on some stickers to make it all fun, or you can just take a piece of scrapbook paper with a pattern that you like and do what we're gonna do, and then you're done and you don't even have to think about a kind of pattern, sticker, spice it up kind of thing. You don't even have to think. So those are your options. So if you're gonna do the sticker way, you're obviously gonna need stickers. Then you're gonna need a pencil and some scissors. So easy. Let's get started. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my phone case, right? And I'm gonna trace around the outside. And then also in the center here, in the center right here where you can see there's a little hole for the camera. Okay. So, can you see my pencil line? I think so. I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut out what I traced. Okay, oh, I need to cut out this part. And to cut out that middle part, I'm just folding it a little bit, making a little slit with my scissors, and then cutting it out. There. So next, I'm gonna take my phone case and I'm just gonna see how it lines up. See if I need to trim it all. And it looks like, well, really, first of all, is I could cut off this top part because if you can see on my phone case, that's not even gonna show. So why even have it? And then I think I'm gonna need to trim around the edges. Just a little bit. There, now let's see. Well, that's almost perfect. It doesn't fit quite perfectly. Now you could probably do that better. And you probably will. But this is as good as it's gonna get for me. So, if you use scrapbook paper, your job is done. That's all you had to do. But for me, I am gonna look through my stickers and I'm gonna stick some cool stickers on there. This sticker is the reason I wanted to do this. It says, all the cool kids are kind kids. It's true. Okay, so I just put a couple little stickers on there. Maybe I'll put more, maybe I won't. I don't know. And I'm just gonna stick that in my little, and oh my gosh. I mean, really. That's kind of cute. I think it needs more color, like right there. Let me add some. Why not? Oh yeah, okay. There, I think that was what it needed, was that little flower. I mean, honestly, that's pretty cute. And the nice thing is if I decide I hate it tomorrow, that's okay. I can just take it out. It's no big deal. I love things that aren't permanent. I just do. The only thing is that my phone case has these two little slits right there. So if it rains, I might have to make a new one, but that's okay. So yeah, wasn't that super simple? Did you have fun? I did. If you liked that, hit that button that looks like that. If you like me, hit the button that looks like it's red. It says subscribe. I think we all know what that is. But yeah, if you have a super simple project you'd like me to try, please leave it in the comments. That is all. Have a super great, whatever you're having.